So late summer 2023, I did a Portico remix in Florida and planted some coleus in these two planters right here. So I'm back in Florida for a minute, checked on some things, and I see here that the coleus has grown up just a tad. Coleus is native to Southeast Asia, and it offers several types of benefits. Of course, most of us use it for ornamental use. They come in all different types of colors and patterns, and it just makes them very popular for gardens and planters and indoor settings, landscapes, etc. What's really important is you can use them for medicinal purposes as well. The extracts have been used for various conditions such as like asthma, high blood pressure, heart disease, and there's just some ongoing research to explore its potential health benefits. As you can see here, it just adds vibrant colors, wonderful textures to your garden, and it's just a great visual interest, and it enhances the aesthetic appeal of your landscapes, really. It is an easy thing to grow this spring, and it's a natural insect repellent. Share your thoughts on coleus and let me know if you're going to be using it in your garden this coming spring. As always, happy planting.